Welcome to Frankenstein's Fabrics Saturday Stitches. Today we're going to take a side step from our original stipple, which is a curved stipple, and I'm going to show you what I like to call a zigzag stipple. So when a lot of people start free motion quilting, they find that stipple is the one that everyone recommends that they do because it's supposed to be the easiest. I would like to counter that argument with the fact that a lot of people have a bit of jerky motion when they first start because they're getting used to everything. So why not take advantage of that jerky motion and do a zigzag stipple? So when you're taught how to do stipple, it's all about getting a smooth curve. But when you do zigzag stipple, you're taking advantage of the point where you would get sharp edges. So let's try this. As you can see, every few stitches, so in some cases 3 or 4 and in some quite long stretches, I am changing direction. I'm trying to keep it at a 90-degree angle, but if it's not, it doesn't matter. So any angle is suitable as long as it tessellates within the other shapes. So if you have a look here, I've started in the corner and I've just come out and I'm moving my way, tessellating my points into each other like I'd tessellate a curve in a regular stipple. This is great if you have a quilt that requires something geometric, but you just want a bit of filler. The beauty with this stitch is that you can make it quite large, so you can do a big run on something and then come back and use it as a base, or you can make it more blocky and a bit bricky looking, kind of like our cobblestones. So there we have our zigzag stipple. Stay tuned for more on this series of Saturday Stitches with Frankenstein's Fabrics. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.